the Pinion Model by Pulte Homes at the Cordora Community. It's a brand new community that just opened up at their grand opening last week. And this is almost 2,700 square feet, 4 beds, 2 baths, 2-car garage, starting at $575,000. And if you want more details about the lending and all that, watch the Juniper video, the part 1. And if you want to see more of my videos, please like and please subscribe to my channel. Let's check this out. Let's go inside. So this is kind of this style is a mid-level garage downstairs. You walk up, then you come in to the center area, and then you can go downstairs, and then they have the laundry room here. And then you have living room area, right? And then access to the backyard. And then you have your wet bar right here. And then you have a full bedroom right here. Walk-in closet. And then your shower and your dual sink. Love what they did with the octagon style tile. And then you have the wallpaper in the back. All right, so let's head back upstairs. Of course, there is the laundry room, and then this is to the garage. This would be coat closet. Okay, now let's go up. Nice open space here. Upgraded railings. And then here is the kitchen. Kitchen, living room, dining area, bonus room there that can be used as an office. Let's take a look at that first. And then you have your nice huge coat closet, storage space, your island. One thing I like about Pulte, a lot of their models, they have a window right in front of the grill. You know, lets more light come in, stuff like that. And then they got this same material all the way back, the quartz, and then a different color here. Now this is like more on the matte side, and then that's on the glossy side. And you have a nice large sink, and then your Whirlpool appliances. Again, you have an electric fireplace, and then they added this nice brick look feature. Lots of windows everywhere, lets a lot of light come in. Linen closet. And then here is a bathroom with 2 sinks. Kind of matte, rounded Then you have your bathtub shower. And you have 2 rooms here, so we go to the left. And then they're displaying this as a gym. And you have more storage space here, smaller linen closet. You have a thermostat down here. All right, let's go upstairs. Let's go see what we have on the 3rd floor. Little loft area, little space you could, work here or build some cabinetry. And then here's the primary. Again, no tub, but if you don't want to upgrade this, you can have like a tub shower combo. And then your walk-in closet. So 8-foot ceilings up here, and then 9 downstairs. And then more windows, more views. So yeah, typically a lot of lighting. And so this is the Pinion Model here at Pulte Homes in the Cordora Community. Like and subscribe this video. Subscribe to my channel, please. If you like what you see here and you like my videos, check out the next video of the next model.